Hello everyone. Today in this short video I am going to show you how to make spun sugar. Before going to the video, I would like to tell you that what is spun sugar. Spun sugar is something which is made from the sugar used for garnishing different desserts. To make this spun sugar, we need to make caramel from the sugar. You can make it in two different ways. It can be with the dry method or with the wet method. With the wet method, you need to add a little amount of water. Now, the wet method is very easy and convenient for the beginners. In today's procedure, we will follow the wet method of caramel, and then I will show you how to make the spun sugar and how we will spin the sugar, that I will show you. So first thing, we need to take a non-stick pan or any kind of cooking vessel you can take, and then we will add sugar in it. I am taking 100 gram of sugar. Water will take around 20 ml. So water I have added around 20 ml, and then just you need to stir it like this and let the sugar work by itself. Slowly it will get melt and the caramelization process will go on. As a beginner, you need to learn this, that when you are making a caramel, you don't have to stir the sugar when you are adding water in it. As you can see, now I am just waiting, and you need to do that. You just need to wait and watch that how the sugar works. This is the magic of sugar. It will goes on and you will get a very nice caramel color. Now you can see that our sugar is getting caramelized. From the sides you can see we are getting a golden color. So we just need to stir it in this way so that it will spread evenly everywhere. You can see the caramel color, and then you just remove it from the flame and then stir it with the help of spoon. So once your caramelization is done, you need to keep on stirring it, and you have to wait for the lowering of your temperature of the sugar. Temperature of the sugar is 163 to 165 degrees centigrade. At this moment, you need to check the sugar. You will get the thread-like consistency. Now, we will take our sugar which is already in temperature, and then we will use a fork in this way, and then we will start spinning it. I am using a wooden spatula on which I have greased it with oil, which will be easy to remove out our sugar. So this is the way how we are removing it once it is done. So this is what our spun sugar is. It is also known as sugar nest, and you can say it a thicker version of candy floss. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment and share my video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get more updates